In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert WebP to PNG. WebP is a modern image format developed by Google. It's efficient, but sometimes you need to convert it to PNG for better compatibility or editing in software that doesn't support WebP. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, starting with the desktop method using Windows Paint. First, locate the WebP file you want to convert. Right-click on the file. You'll see several options appear. What you want to do is select Open With and then choose Paint. Paint is a simple tool but quite powerful for basic tasks like this. Once the image is open in Paint, you'll want to go to the top left corner and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Save As. This step is crucial because it's how you'll choose the format you want to save your image in. Next up, within the Save As options, look for PNG Picture. Click on it. This means you're telling Paint to convert and save your image as a PNG file. Now you'll be prompted to select a save location on your computer. Choose a folder where you'll easily find your new PNG image. Then click Save. This makes sure your changes are saved. Now your WebP image is successfully saved as a PNG file. It's that simple. From here, let's move on to the online method, which works on any computer. This is particularly useful if you don't have access to Windows Paint or if you're using a different operating system. Open your web browser and search for a WebP to PNG converter website. There are many available, and they work directly in your browser. Once you have a site open, look for the option to upload your WebP file. This is often a button that says something like Upload or Choose File. After uploading your file, the next step is to select PNG as the output format. This is important because it tells the converter what format you want your final image to be in. Then click on Convert. This action starts the conversion process. It's a quick process and you should see a confirmation appear. It might take a few moments depending on the file size, but it's usually fast. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be prompted to download the PNG file. Click Download and choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save it. An added advantage of using online converters is that many of them support batch conversion. This means you can convert multiple images at once, saving you a lot of time if you have several files to process. And there you have it. Whether using Windows Paint or an online converter, converting WebP to PNG is straightforward. These methods ensure you have a compatible file format for your needs and are easy to follow no matter your level of expertise. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful. Keep watching for more tutorials to simplify your digital life.